We're going to prepare our zipper to be put into a jacket. I always purchase my zippers in a longer format. This way it can be shortened regardless of the size. To mark our zipper, we want to compare our zipper to the one that is in the coat that's being replaced before we start taking any of it out. The reason we do this is when we start taking out the old zipper, we're going to be pulling on it, and depending on the material itself, like I'm going to show you with this knit, it may actually stretch. So in order for us to get a true comparison as to how long to make our zipper, we want to do it before we take out the old one. I'm just going to line the zipper up to the old zipper, run it along all the way up to wherever their stopper is placed. And I'm going to put a mark on my zipper so I know that's where I'm going to be removing teeth and placing my new stopper. I also want to show you that technique quickly with a knit item, just because this is one of the reasons why we want to make sure we compare our zippers before we take it out. This material is very flexible. If I were to take that out right away, this is all going to be stretched, and if I line my zipper up to the stretched material, the zipper is going to be way too long, as well as you won't get the placement in as easily as if you were to compare it before we took it out. Take our zipper, line it up along the new zipper, and put a chalk mark where the new stoppers will be placed. And now the zipper will be ready for us to shorten. We're going to pull the zipper pull down. I'm going to start at my chalk mark, and with some needle nose pliers, I'm going to start pulling out zipper teeth. Make sure you're going in the right direction, going away from your, where this is the new zipper, I want to take out above where my new zipper will be placed. The teeth do come out fairly easily. If any pieces of plastic still remain on the zipper, just use your fingernail to take them off. All right. Now I'm going to take one of my zipper stoppers. For the gray, I'm just going to use a silver. Place it onto the very top. Give it a pinch, make sure it's in place. But it's very important that it doesn't move, so now I'm going to use the back end of the pliers and give it a good squeeze. So we want to make sure that that doesn't move. Though we already have a mark, I always do up my zipper, and the very first tooth that's above the slider on the other side, I'm going to pull that out, and now I can continue pulling out a few more teeth on the other side. One more. Grab another zipper stopper. Put that at the top. Give it a pinch and a good squeeze. Now all we need to do is trim the excess zipper, the waist, and that zipper is ready to be put into the new garment.